A fitness coach stumbles upon a hidden Riverside trail that maps itself to every squat, jump, and stretch she performs. She turns that discovery into a 50-second video guide, where natural sounds become cues for tempo and reps. The camera follows her through rustling leaves, flowing water, and distant birds as she demonstrates playful, practical moves. Viewers learn a routine that syncs breath with wind, knees with river currents, turning fitness into a mindful ritual. By the end, the bench and trail become a living studio, inviting every viewer to explore movement in nature.